Accurate and well-organized audit documentation and reports are essential for ensuring transparency, accountability, and effective decision-making. Proper documentation provides a clear record of findings, corrective actions, and compliance status, making it a critical part of the audit process. In this lesson, we'll cover 1 key components of audit documentation, 2 steps to prepare an effective audit report, 3 best practices for clear and concise reporting. By following these guidelines, auditors can communicate findings effectively and help organizations drive continuous improvement. 1 key components of audit documentation. Audit documentation serves as official evidence of the audit process. It includes records, observations, and findings collected during the audit. Essential audit documents include audit plan, defines scope, objectives, criteria, and methodology. Checklists and questionnaires, used to verify compliance with standards. Evidence records, includes photos, samples, process records, and employee interviews. Audit working papers, notes, and observations made by auditors. Nonconformity reports, NCRs, documents violations, risks, and gaps in compliance. Corrective action requests, CARs, specifies actions required to address findings. 2 steps to prepare an effective audit report. An audit report summarizes findings, conclusions, and recommendations in a structured format. A well-prepared report ensures that stakeholders understand the results and necessary actions. Step 1. Structure the report properly. A typical audit report includes introduction, purpose, scope, and criteria of the audit. Audit summary, key observations, strengths, and compliance status. Findings and nonconformities, detailed issues, risks, and root causes. Recommendations, suggested corrective actions, and preventive measures. Conclusion, overall assessment, and next steps. Step 2. Use objective and evidence-based findings. Avoid vague statements like process is inefficient. Instead, use fact-based evidence. Production process exceeded cycle time by 15% due to equipment malfunctions. Step 3. Prioritize findings based on risk and impact. Classify findings into major nonconformities, critical issues that violate standards; minor nonconformities, smaller process deviations that need improvement; observations, areas that could improve but do not violate requirements. 3. Best practices for clear and concise reporting. Use simple and professional language. Avoid technical jargon unless necessary. Keep sentences clear and concise. Include visual data for clarity. Use charts, graphs, and tables to display trends and statistics. Provide photographic evidence for physical findings. Maintain confidentiality and objectivity. Report only factual observations. Avoid personal opinions or unverified claims. Key takeaways. Audit documentation ensures a detailed and accurate record of the audit process. An effective audit report presents findings, risks, and corrective actions clearly. Best practices include concise writing, objective evidence, and risk-based prioritization. By preparing well-structured audit documentation and reports, auditors help organizations strengthen compliance, improve processes, and achieve quality excellence. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to conduct effective follow-up audits to ensure corrective actions are implemented successfully.